Have you ever wondered if your email address is now sitting for sale on the dark web and who's compromised your email address? So let me share with you a brilliant website. It's called haveibeenpwned.com. And the way it works is you go into the site, you go into this area where it says email or phone, and you type in your email address. So I'm going to put in my personal email address that I've had for many, many years. And then you click on this PWNED button. And immediately it comes back and it gives you a result. And if you look at this, there are 11 breaches. So if you scroll down, it shows you that collection one in 2019 lost 2.7 billion records, including email addresses and passwords. If you scroll down, Cove, online spam bots, and the list goes on, last.fm, LinkedIn in 2016. And look at this. In last year, 2021, LinkedIn hackers scraped everything, email addresses, genders, I mean, the lot. Then you got Nitro, share this, you've been scraped. So all these sites now are sitting on the dark web, and it's not even your fault because, you know, if LinkedIn gets compromised and your email address and passwords ends up in the dark web, that's okay. But the thing is, it's not okay if your password is the same for your LinkedIn account, for your Twitter account, for your email account, or even, dare I say, for your property management account. So that's why this stuff is important to know. And then, of course, the best way you can find this without having to check manually every day is go to Notify Me, type in your email address, tick the box, and click Notify Me when pawned. Because what it will do then is it'll send you an email to say, hey, your Amazon account or your Twitter or your ring.com account has been compromised, so you can at least go and take action. This is a very quick way for you to be alerted.